What's up guys, this is Apur from Gadget Adda, and today we are checking out the Plyo case from Urban Armour Gear. Now we have got this case for iPhone 11 Pro Max and it's a military standard drop tested case. The packaging is pretty neat to start with, so let's get the case out of the box. There you go, the case does feel pretty good in hand. It's a clear case and made of the polycarbonate material. The base is quite sturdy, while the top and the bottom are a little soft. The sides are slightly on the harder side. There's the UAG branding on the bottom of the back. Let's toss in the phone now. It goes in pretty easily, absolutely no hassles there. The phone feels great in hand with the case on. The ridges on the back and the venting notches on the sides give you a firm grip. The power button gets a good feedback and so does the volume rocker. There's an easy access to the switcher. The cutouts are neatly done both for the bottom and for the camera. The sides are slightly raised so that when you place the phone upside down, the screen does not really touch the surface. Now, like all the UAG cases, this particular case is also Qi wireless charging compatible. There you go, it works perfectly alright. Now the UAG cases have been doing pretty good in the market lately, and if you're looking for a transparent one, this is definitely a good buy. It's available for $2,999 on Amazon.in. The link is in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.